Wanna park and reverse with confidence? In this video, we're checking out the top 10 best backup cameras for cars on Amazon, from easy plug-and-play options to advanced night vision and wide-angle views. Whether you're driving a compact car or an SUV, these cameras make every move safer. Stick around to find the perfect one for your ride. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear that keeps you in the clear. At number 1 we have Yakry RV Backup Camera Plug and Play. The waterproof camera and HD monitor are powered by one power supply. No need to power the camera and monitor separately, just connect the monitor to a cigarette lighter adapter / fuse etc., then wire the camera and monitor. The wired reversing camera kit has more stable transmission and will not lose signal at any time. If your wireless backup camera is always intermittent and delayed, a wired camera is a reliable companion for every drive. True IR night vision greatly enhances the image, and the backup camera works even with minimal light around, allowing you to identify objects in the dark. 150-degree wide viewing angle, non-fisheye distortion camera, great for lane changing and nighttime backing up and parking in narrow alleys. The 7-inch IPS display offers clearer and more vibrant color images, along with a wider viewing angle that maintains image consistency from various directions. At number 2 we have Wolfbox G840S 12 inches 4K backup camera. Experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD, 2160p resolution, paired with a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. The included external GPS antenna enables real-time GPS data display directly on the dash cam. Connect to your phone via Wi-Fi and use the Wolfbox app on iOS or Android devices to real-time viewing, playback recordings, and quick sharing of videos. The Wolfbox G840S mirror camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, offering a broader field of view to minimize blind spots during driving and reversing. The smart split-screen function allows simultaneous monitoring of both lenses, while the 2.5D curved screen seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior. The G840S mirror dash camera is equipped with an upgraded low-reflectivity LCD to reduce daytime reflections. At number 3 we have Furrion Wireless RV Backup System. Most RVs are already prepped for the Vision S shark fin camera system, eliminating extensive drilling requirements. Not compatible with Vision S Plus systems. Vision S comes with high-resolution, 720 by 480, IP65 waterproof cameras with infrared night vision, live streaming, intelligent IR cut filters and a wide viewing angle. Wireless communication provides a reliable digital connection with no lag between the camera and monitor. Vision S is tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds and extended range of up to 492 feet in open spaces. The 7 inches anti-glare monitor comes with park assist marker lines and displays a clear image for up to 4 cameras for all-around coverage. The windshield and table mount allow for easy viewing. The cameras can serve as a security system to help you stay safe when parked. Convenient motion sensors auto-wake the display. The built-in microphone in the rear camera has audio transmission, allowing for parking guidance. At number 4 we have AUTO-VOX 7.2 inches wireless backup camera. Our 7.2-inch solar wireless backup camera provides a quick 2-minute installation experience. It can achieve zero-tech installation, no wiring, drilling, or connecting lights are required, and you only need a screwdriver to complete the installation. The backup cameras with CMOS advanced sensor chip and HD 1080p display can show the details of the rear and restore the real color, presenting you with vivid images, whether day or night. The wireless backup camera for car adopts OFDM/CCK dual mode technology combined with frequency hopping, effectively resisting interference to ensure stable signal transmission, allowing real-time video transmission when reversing. The reversing camera has a recording function and supports 8G64 GTF card loop recording. When the SD card is full, the user can choose whether to overwrite the old video. At number 5 we have Newangx 10 inches wireless backup camera system. This wireless backup camera system includes a 10-inch monitor and 4 wireless RV backup camera. Adopts 2.4G wireless digital transmission and upgraded digital signal chip. It presents stable high-definition 1080p images/videos for reversing or monitoring. The 10-inch large monitor presents vivid and clear images to bring you the best driving/reverse experience. With IP69K waterproof standard, the wireless rear view/side view camera can work in extreme weather from 4F till to 176F. No lens water or fog issues. 2 rear view cameras and 2 side view cameras can reduce blind spots/blind area for you. Suitable voltage range is 12 volts to 24 volts. This digital wireless backup camera with monitor is suitable for cars, RV, truck, semi-trailer, pickups, camper, van, fifth wheel, motorhome. The signal can reach over 300 feet in open area, and 50 feet on vehicle for reversing or 36 feet on vehicle for continuously use. The backup camera system with digital wireless transmission makes the installation much easier. At number 6 we have Yakry RV Backup Camera. Stronger signal and extended range. With the dual antenna design, this 7-inch display increases signal strength by 50%, ensuring a more stable and reliable connection. The system boasts a working range of 320 feet on vehicles and up to 830 feet in open areas, even under tough conditions. This wireless backup camera system offers easy installation for most vehicles, eliminating the need for complicated wiring. Easy trip documentation. With an SD card inserted, this system doubles as a driving recorder. Add more cameras for full coverage. This system supports up to 4 cameras, giving you the flexibility to expand your setup. Add side cameras, front cameras, or extra rear cameras for a wider around your vehicle. Crystal clear views. Enjoy 1080p HD image quality for a sharp, clear view of your surroundings. Whether you're backing up your RV, navigating a tight parking space, or monitoring traffic behind you, the superior video quality ensures you see everything in detail for safer driving. The image is clear even at night. At number 7 we have ATPTK 7 inches 1080p rear view backup camera. This is an upgraded industrial-grade OD 1080p wired 1 camera system. For its high vibration resistance ability of 10G and wide power input range DC 12-24 volts. 7-color monitor with U-type metal bracket and with 1080p resolution. It is not waterproof. It is compatible with most of the vehicles with a free power input range DC 12-24 volts and supports with Max 2 cameras. TVs and ESD devices built in to protect the monitor from being damaged by the transient high power of vehicles and the electrostatic as high as 8 kV. It is color camera with the resolution of 1080p, provides super clear and real color image. The viewing angle is 120 degree. With waterproof rating IP69K the highest level, with night vision. Key monitor has 3 modes for option by menu to lighten the screen at daytime and darken at night, not glare. 2-dot monitor has a built-in protector for protecting monitor from being damaged by power polarities reversed. At number 8 we have DVKNM 2 magnetic solar backup camera. 7-inch full HD IPS panel monitor plug and play and easily attach the magnetic wireless backup camera to any metal surface of the vehicle. Solar magnetic wireless reverse camera base is equipped with a strong magnet. It can be easily attached to any metal surface, attach and remove at will, and don't have to worry about the camera falling off while the vehicle is in motion. Rear view camera supports 2 types of charging, solar and Type-C charging. Battery capacity 9,600 mAh. Charging while driving in sunny weather. Camera uses unique potting process for IP69 commercial grade waterproofing, durable and long-lasting. Solar wireless magnetic hitch camera adopts 1080p HD color CMOS sensor plus 7 full HD IPS panel monitor to provide you with ultra-high definition monitoring images. Equipped with 9 infrared night vision LED lights. At number 9 we have Rohent dual RV backup camera system. The included bracket adapter can be customized to fit your needs, and the 23 feet/33 feet/43 feet video cable connects the camera to the monitor directly. The large 7-inch display can be mounted on the dashboard or windshield. Stable signal transmission with no delay or interference. Enjoy HD 1080p clarity with a wired connection that ensures stable, interference-free viewing. Whether you're driving on highways, reversing, or navigating tight spaces, the signal remains strong with no lag, image distortion, or loss of quality. This system includes 2 weatherproof cameras, allowing you to monitor both the rear and side of your vehicle. With a 170 degrees wide-angle view for increased coverage, the dual camera feature makes reversing, parking, and maneuvering safer by reducing blind spots and providing a full picture of your surroundings. At number 10 we have Douxury wireless RV backup camera. With unique dual antenna design and the latest digital signal chip, the wireless backup camera can send 1080p videos to the display via the stronger signal. The signal can reach 320 feet in open area and 180 feet in vehicles. You can add 3 extra cameras to this system. If you need to add a camera, please contact the after-sales service. RV backup camera supports recording function. The video data is loop recording and stored in the SD card. Maximum supports 128G SD card. You can avoid any scam/theft. With the latest sealing tech, the wireless backup camera is IP69 waterproof, also can withstand extreme temperatures from 4F to 149F. No more lens water or fog problems. 1080p HD backup camera, adopting 1080p CCD image processing chip. The digital wireless backup camera system can provide you with 1080p HD images during the day, bright and clear images at night. 24 hours clear vision for you.